Going on, guys? Today or tonight we're gonna go for a drive and we're gonna record some POV content. Oh my god. All right, so we got a mic connected, so everything's good to go. Hopefully it's connected. Let's type in the password for the car, wait for it to turn on. Boom, there you go. Alright, so the mic apparently wasn't set up. Thankfully we checked, otherwise we would have gone this whole video without actually recording any audio. Everything is of course legal. My speedometer is however incorrect. I do need to get that sorted out still. But yeah, so far so good. Put this in Sport Plus. I know you guys can do that. Some settings on my mic and hopefully it's not too crazy, because if it's too crazy I might not even use the audio for the mic, which is not going to be good. So very jerky. I don't know if you guys can tell. Oh my god, the blind spots in this car. It's no joke. I don't know if you can tell that the car slipped a little bit. That wasn't even 30% acceleration, which is crazy. It wasn't even 30% and the car's already trying to slip on me. Sunroof a bit so we can get some ventilation. This car does have pops and bangs, only on Sport Plus, which is actually pretty useful. burble too much. You know what? I lied, I do. Another issue with this car, the paddle shifter doesn't work, the up paddle shifter. The down one does work. So whenever I want to shift up, I have to put the car back in drive mode. Shift sounds crisp, but I can't upshift now. Every time I downshift, I'm stuck in this gear now until I press the stick down, because the upshift just don't work. Let's let this lorry go through because, well, it's not straight, but it is a single road. Guys, long story short, my camera decided to randomly turn off, ran out of charge, and then I started recording and then it randomly turned off. So I was confused, my mic stopped recording. Luckily I saw that as well, and that's the only reason I realized my camera wasn't recording and had turned off. So hopefully everything's good now. But we're gonna go meet a C63 and an E53. We're gonna record some content, so that's gonna be pretty sick. So that messed up my fucking mic recording. Don't know since when he was calling me. That pissed me off. I think that guy there wants to race. Looking over his shoulder and everything. This guy on my left, he's getting dusted as well, because this guy just pulled up in front of me in the middle of the dual carriageway. In the middle lane, instead of going in the left lane. Traffic light here. This is such dumb design, bro. What the fuck? This road design is fucking awful, mate. We got an E53 down there and the C63s right in front of me. Oh yeah, this is sick.